playful detail to your medium or long tresses with a trendy waterfall braid. Use this modified French braiding technique to create a hairstyle that works great for both daytime and formal events. Start by creating a deep side parting and brush out all the knots in your hair. Work with day-old hair to have a better grip when braiding. Begin braiding in the front and divide hair into 3 equal sections. Use the simple 3-strand braiding technique to place the left strand over the right one, then the right strand down the middle of the braid. Repeat placing the left section on the middle, then pick up a new strand of hair on the right and move this piece over the center. Release the left strand, adding a new strand from the bottom and move it over the middle strand. The trick that gives the cascading effect is dropping one section of hair at the bottom as you braid your hair 3 times. Repeat this move and continue braiding until you have reached the back of the head and secure ends with a clear elastic.